Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time to face and defeat the biggest challenge this channel has ever faced. Installing Windows Vista on a 2006 MacBook. But first, you may notice the room's a bit different. Where's the iMac? Well, I didn't have enough desk space, I thought, so I just got another one. So now I've got two desks. The beautiful with the old Apple poster in the background. And then we've got a whole other desk to tinker with. So I've got this pretty much this whole space to tinker with now. It's beautiful, beautiful. So now that we've got this nice area to test the MacBook and everything, we are going to find the MacBook because I actually genuinely have no idea where it is. It's been about 2 weeks since I last got it out. So let's take a look down here. Okay, let's crack. Oh my goodness, there's a few laptops on top. Whoa. Oh, take one laptop off at a time. Oh, this, by the way, this is a PowerBook 1400 CS. I should do a video on that at some point. 3, 4, there we go. Oh, that wasn't even that heavy. And our MacBook has slid out to us. It is time to finally do this. Why? Because I found an ISO with a disk that might work. So if this sudden retribution, is that the right word, makes no sense, I was able to use this said disk, which I'll show you in a second, to install Vista on the Core Duo iMac. Same hardware, it works. It works on the iMac, so it might work on the MacBook. We don't know. Let's see, shall we? We've got a classic original MagSafe 1 charger. Look at that. No, this is an actual original. Look at that. Oh yes, the sound of success, hopefully. I love having the eMac in the background. That's pretty cool. Right, so yes. So this is my solution. So we're going to boot into Leopard. Basically, I've installed Leopard on this. Now, someone said use Boot Camp. Now, the issue is I've used Boot Camp so many times before, and it just hasn't worked. And it's been pretty annoying. It didn't really seem to make much of a difference, you know, in place of just me doing it myself. Regardless, we are going to have a little look at Boot Camp Assistant. Now I go for the 600,000. Oh! Okay, well that was quicker than I thought it was going to be. All right, here we go. In goes Vista. So yeah, we're on 10.5.8. Brilliant. So it's got the latest and greatest software, you know, 2009, probably 2010-ish. It is being read. That's good. So it does read it. It's not just being funny about it. Let's hop into Boot Camp then, shall we? This is going really well so far. It always goes really well, doesn't it? Oh, well, hello. Here we go. I wasn't expecting that. It means it is picking it up as a Windows disk. It's spinning up. It's spinning up. It's spinning up. It's spinning up. It's making noise. Is this going to be the first time? No, surely not. There's got to be an error. This is TechMW. No. Hang on. Why am I panicking that there's no error? No way. No way. No way. No way. No way. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! This is the furthest we've got in about 6 months. We couldn't even get to this in Windows 7. We barely got through this in Windows XP. And now it's just working. Wow. well, hang on. This is TechMW. We don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. As you can probably hear, it is spinning. Please don't blue screen. Please don't blue screen. Please don't blue screen. Please don't blue screen. Didn't think we'd ever see this. Not on here anyway. If it doesn't see the SSD, I'm going to be really sad. Sugar, I don't have a product key. Please let me hit next. Yes! Should we go? Let's go Home Premium. Like that reference to an old video. Home Premium. I didn't mean to install Home Premium. I was going to install Professional. Official DVD here of Windows 7 Home Premium. There's no error. There's no error. There hasn't been an error. We're on the screen. Next. Oh my goodness. And the drive is spinning. It's not spinning down. It is not spinning down or having any issues. This is the dream MacBook right here. Let me tell you, ladies and gentlemen, this is the prospect MacBook. This is the ideal MacBook you want in your life. Trust me. £20 you can get one of these for. Well worth it. I feel like touching it will destroy any chances I have of it working because that just seems to be what happens. Come on. Now, for anyone watching this video that is confused as to why I'm so happy about this, we had an old MacBook that just absolutely did not want to install Vista or anything. We did loads of things, XP and all sorts, and Vista has never worked, and we're talking like well over 6 months here, maybe to a year. So the fact that this is now working, well, we don't know that yet. This is a good sign, okay? Okay. Okay, we've actually done it. We've actually done it. We have achieved it. It's done. This was the goal. We conquered the Windows Vista MacBook video. This isn't like externally, you know, thingy-majiggied. This is on. This is native. This is there is nothing. This is official. Let's just enjoy Vista, shall we? So Vista is currently assessing my computer's performance. I'm sure it will score greatly with its GMA 950 graphics card. Turn everyday moments into lifetime memories. What is that? What? The moment we've waited for over probably a year. Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh, it even knows. Oh, genuine int. It doesn't know it's a Core Duo. Okay. 2 gigs of RAM. It's already got the drivers. It's got the drivers already. Oh, oh, look at this. It's actually Vista. 3.0 on the experience index. Well, that's solid, that. We have a slight issue. Well, our internet just doesn't want to work at all. Even on something basic like Google, which is a little bit frustrating. Yeah, this is just not working. Let's steal, haha, the Ethernet from the eMac. Sorry, eMac. And we'll just kind of move it around the back and just sort of carry on moving it. Where's the Ethernet? There we go. There we go. LAN. Oh. Hello. Oh, okay. Well, that isn't supposed to happen. Google. 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 This is what we want. We want Chrome. Download Chrome. XP Vista. XP Vista. Here we go. What browser? What kind of browser is this? Chrome. 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 No. No Chrome. Chrome. This is not good. Cannot display the. Oh no. Oh no. All right. New issue. I knew we'd have a problem with this. So, if we open the downloaded Chrome setup, as I've now got a beautiful high quality, that's quality, optical mouse. If we run it, nothing happens. If we run it as administrator, nothing happens. And if we re-download it and hit run, it's just, what do you mean? So I'm gonna do a big brain maneuver right here. I'm gonna try CMD. I'm gonna try CMD. Okay. I'm gonna overwrite. I didn't ask for property. I didn't ask. Stop. Oh, I can't see this. Oh, come off it. That just straight up worked through command prompt. There's some hacker vibes. Let's just straight up hacker vibe. Let's run tree as well. You know why I'm a hacker? Because I can run the tree command in green command prompt. That's what makes me hacker. You know what, let's open up another one. Let's open up another one. I'm in the Matrix now. I am Jeff Bezos. Trust me. What? That's the time. I hate to break it to you, Chrome, but that's the time. So I have just looked it up and it's an issue with Chrome on Windows XP and Vista. So we're gonna have to download Firefox. I think it's about time we watch some quality TechMW content. Here we go. You know, it should take, you know, about 5 minutes to load a YouTube video. I mean, why not? It kind of says it's playing, but it's not. Oh, yes it is. Amazing. Oh, there's the eMac. There's the eMac in much higher resolution. Oh, it looks great. I'll tell you what, I am satisfied. I am satisfied. Let's just close out of that. Ooh. So, I cannot believe we were actually able to do this. This disc was the saving grace, and we finally got it to work. So I'm going to pop that on there. I am thinking about moving on with this and maybe upgrading this to Windows 7. You know, now that we've achieved Vista on this, maybe upgrade it to Windows 7. And then maybe 8.1, you know, everyone's favorite operating system. Maybe we try and get Windows 10 on this. You know, run some Steam games, you know, get a bit of gaming in. I think that's doable. If you want to see me do, you know, Windows 7, maybe 8.1 in the future, then Windows 10, let me know. We'll do like an upgrade path of this MacBook. Thank you very much for sticking around, by the way, you know, seeing the progression of the 2006 MacBook. This is now the second edition and it has worked, which is fantastic. Thank you guys very much for watching this one, and I will see you in the next video.